guys, and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how 21st of September is going to be, and I have so many cards for 21st of September that I am really surprised by the number of cards that came out. The 21st, or the energy of 20th and 19th also is very important for you to understand and know. So please watch the video of 19th and 20th of September. 19th is today. You need to keep your safety on, and there are certain things that you need to take care of. So just ensure that you watch those videos. They are into the daily prediction playlist. And looking at the card, the first card that I got for 21st, this is the Magician card that I got as a confirmation of somebody at one time. And the card says the magic is alive in your life. Magic is alive in your life. What you need to be success, what you need to be a success will manifest. If you believe it, you can do it. So the first card is Magician, and it says that magic is alive, and whatever you need is going to come your way. There are flowers here, so there is definitely growth. There is magic here, because with his finger he's creating this kind of magic in the flowers that is moving ahead. There's a feather here. Feather is a sign of divine. There is a book that is opened, and there is a light that is coming out of that book. So definitely messages, clarity, and things that should come out. There is a magic wand that is creating an infinity sign. Thank you to the person who corrected me on wands, the pronunciation. Thank you so much. So okay, so the magic wand and the infinity sign that is being created with that. And there is an angel. There is a magician who is an angel. So definitely some kind of positive messages, resources, positive news, positive confirmations are coming into your life, and whatever you want to manifest, you will be able to manifest that. Some divine signs are going to come your way. This was the first card. The second card, and I have not seen so many cards come on a prediction like that, and so many cards, and out of them I don't see even one negative card. Like, that is amazing. So the second card that I have is Justice, and it says be impartial and objective, stand up for what you believe, try to see all sides of a situation. You will win if your position is one of integrity. So if you are into that position of integrity, there is a choice. There is definitely a win-win situation that is there for you. He has two swords. The weighing scales are almost equal. They are actually, there is one side that is illuminated, that is shining bright. If you see, he's closed his eyes, but justice is still happening. So if you have any kind of legal case or legal matter that you were looking at, there could be some magical solution to that legal matter that might come your way, that might suddenly come your way, and justice can happen. Or there is a balance, there is a better news, there is a good news, there is a good change that is coming your way. You might also take some decision to bring some new changes into your life, or change your choices of your life, or how you move forward. So that the next card that I have is Two of Wands, and it is taking the next step, bold and ambitious choices, partnering for others, partnering with others. I don't know what happened. Okay, who share your dreams, expanding your plans, continue to move forward. So again, Two of Wands is a card of partnership. If you see, this one person has the whole world in his hand, the other person is standing by his side, both of them looking at the horizon. So they are actually deciding for the next moves. They are ready for the next move. There is growth with them. There are magic wands that basically they have with them. So this could be a possibility where you make a choice to partner with somebody. This could be a partnership in business, this could be a partnership in life, but that's going to be like a decision that is meant to happen in your life, and that is going to create a magic in your life. The next card that I have is Lovers. It says embrace true love and deep initiate intimate friendship, make choice from the heart, vibrant health, and recovery from an illness. So definitely some kind of a magic, beautiful love, heart opening that is coming your way, some kind of a new relationship coming your way, old relationships becoming better, love coming your way, more betterment coming your way. And this is also a card of partnership, so there could be a possibility of some kind of partnership coming your way. Now the next card that I have is a king, and strangely there are two kings here. That's again a partnership. This is a King of Swords card, and it says intelligent, impartial, respected, stoic, receiving wise advice, remain objective and fair-minded, public speaking, communicate clearly, unemotional relationship, or being emotionally unavailable. Now if you see, this king is very, very bored. Like he's all bored. He's just waiting for something to happen and kind of jump into that situation. So there could be a possibility where you were waiting for something to happen and that was not happening, and you were actually bored. You were actually thinking, when will situation change, or when will the real things happen, or the changes happen. So that is the time where the changes will will start happening. That is the time where actually the magic will start happening, and you will see that magic happening. And be ready, don't get bored, rather be prepared, be ready to move forward, and also ensure that you communicate with love and care. The next card is Hermit, and it says time spent in peaceful meditation and meaningful solitude. Shine your light as an example to others. Seek out or become a spiritual mentor in self-discovery. This is the card of Hermit coming out of its slumber. So somebody that is shining the bright light to the whole world. So show your light, share your abilities, share your gifts, and don't be in this energy. Rather, the King of Swords is probably bored now and wants to come out in the light, and probably that is the situation that will bring a lot of emotions. So there are two kings here also. There is a partnership that is shown, and this says trustworthy, honorable, devoted, cautious, someone you can completely trust, a situation that is safe, a solid romantic relationship, hidden but well-intentioned emotions, a charitable benefactor, seeing a counselor. So basically this card says that the energies are such that your emotions are going to be high, your emotions are going to be you need to ensure that your emotions are balanced. They are going to be high, but you need to keep them balanced. And again, new people can come into your life, because I see two kings. So the two kings are there, and there is a partnership as well. So there is a partnership, there are two kings, there are communications, there is balance, and there is money. So this card says the good you do come back to you, unexpected inflow of abundance, borrowing wisely and paying off the debt, sharing your wealth with others who are less fortunate. So again, this card shows somebody on the wheelchair, so take care of yourself while you walk, while you are whatever you're doing, and somebody who needs some kind of wheelchair or help might come our way and share the abundance with us, or share the wealth with us. And wealth can be of all kinds, right? Wealth is knowledge, wealth is money, wealth is everything that you can think of. And the last card is beautiful card. It is Awakening. It is card number 12, and this says a temporary pause for reflection and insight, an awakening where you see things in the whole new light. Embrace your own uniqueness, charitable action. And he's not tied up, he's upside down, but he's by his choice, and he's actually letting go of everything that is there. So ultimately the energy is going to be such that is going to help you let go of everything that you were holding on to, and move forward into a beautiful, better, balanced energy. So overall the energy is very, very beautiful. And if you see, the Magician is number 1, the Justice is number 11. Here it is 8, but it is usually 11, and that makes it 111. Or if we take it as 8, then this is 9, and there are 2 here. There's number 2 card here, that again makes it 11. So we are passing ahead of number 10. So I'm sure that some kind of a new energy, balanced energy, better energy is coming your way, and today is the energy of awakening. So be into that energy, and know that everything that happens is going to happen for a good reason. There is a good cause, there is new partnerships, there is new better news. This is a Angel Wisdom Tarot deck, and the next card that I have is from the Surrender Your Power, that's the Power of Surrender cards. Sorry, I've not slept yesterday night, so I'm like little off. So this card, first card says surrender your fear of change. So let go of any fear of change that you have. Don't be fearful of anything. The changes are inevitable, but they are good. There is a new sun that is rising. Second, ensure that you surrender to inner peace. So you balance your energies, and you meditate every day, and you get into peaceful times. There are not going to be everybody who's going to be at the same page with you, but you don't have to fix others, and don't take stress of fixing others. Rather, sleep, rest, rejuvenate, be ready for the next success that is coming into your life, next movement that is coming into your life. Pray, surrender to prayer. So open your heart and ask the universe to support you, and surrender your addictions, any kind of addictions that you have, negativity, negative thinking, trying to convince people, whatever your addiction is, let go of that addiction, because again the energies are very beautiful and powerful. The next set of cards that I got are from the Wisdom of Avalon Oracle deck. The first card is Fear, the second card says Forgiveness, the third card says Birth, Rebirth, and the fourth card says Truth. And these cards very, very clearly say that the truth actually is that there are births and there are rebirths. So forgive every negative energy that you have in you, and let go of any fears. If you are fearing death, or if you are fearing birth or rebirth, face the truth, and the energy is going to be such where you're going to see the truth. All the fears are going to move away. You will need to forgive, you will need to move forward, but that forward movement is going to be good for you. The next card that I got is Beyond Religion. It is from the Gita deck, and this card, if you see, it is basically saying that yes, in all times there are people who do the bad things, but they are always the good people are always supported by divine. Yes, we might not see it at that time, but the evidence of it, proof of it definitely comes in a later time. The divine also gives it's not really like when they are killed, when the Kauravas were killed, it's not that they were killed, but their souls were freed from the evil minds or evil bodies, and that is what the indication is, that whoever is that evil mind and whoever is the person who's witnessed the wrong things happening, there is going to be end to that, and anything that is beyond religion will be set back to religion. You will see the help. You cannot see the divine, you cannot see the Krishna here, but you can see the help coming. So choose your fights, choose your steps wisely, whether you are doing something wrong with somebody, or whether you are kind of witnessing that wrong or supporting the wrong person. All of that is wrong, absolutely. And if there is something wrong happening with you, raise your voice, ask for help, and you will definitely get the divine intervention and divine help. The next card that I got is from Angel Answers, and the card says be assertive, and this says the masks will be removed, everything will change, the energies will open up. Be assertive that the changes are coming, be assertive that everything is going to change for good. The next card that I have, these are two cards that Pihu just took out from the Chakra Wisdom cards, and she said she took out the cards of strength and she took out the cards of judgment. So be strong, there is a judgment that is coming your way, there is a decision that is coming your way, and there will be probably if I take it, 3 parties, like I always say, there is going to be 3 parties, and they are going to be kind of shown, they are going to be coming out. So and the basically the announcement basically is due, about to happen. Be strong and know that it will happen. So just ensure that you are strong, and this is not necessarily like an announcement at a world level. This can be something in your own life also. Just ensure that you are under control of your negative side. You are not fearful, you are not negative, you are ready for the truth, you are ready for the changes to happen, and you take the right decisions, and definitely some decisions will be made, because there is justice card, there is judgment card, there will be some decision that will be made. I'm going to take out an extra message for you guys. Beautiful. There is Lover's card, and this is the card of manifestation. This is the card of, she's actually looking at this picture and she's trying to manifest it. So this is the card of manifestation, and this is the card of memories. This is the card of partnership as well. Something that you've been wanting to manifest can be manifested in your life, whether it is a relationship, whether it is a situation, whether it is a partnership, anything, but something that you've been, and you might look at your memories, like, you know, this might be like a review of your memories. Let me see if I have another message from here, or otherwise that will be it. Yes, I have another message, and I was thinking that there is no 10 today, so there is a 10 that has come, and 2 of Swords, right? So all the blindfolds that were there, all the unsureties that were there, she's actually standing in a way where she's hiding the sun also from the rising, and there is a blindfold. She's not sure what is happening, but she knows the energies, she's aware of the energies. And then there is 10 of Swords, where the sun finally is rising, and there are swords, if you see, around this person and to this person, but the energy is waking up, basically the person is waking up basically, and the help is coming. So whatever unclarities were there, probably some clarity is going to come into that part of life, and there is still some kind of completion that is going to happen. So I hope that these oh wow, and here also the last card is 10. So there are 2 10s and this person who was here, she's here right now, and abundance, there is abundance around her. So definitely some kind of positive changes are coming. So let's see, let's wait for those positive changes. Do leave the feedback, and again, these changes can be big, these changes can be small, these can be around the world, this can be around only your life, so as and how they come. But ensure that be positive, let go of fears, let go of addictions, and move forward. Thank you so much. Hope this helps. Bye bye.